Hi, LinkedIn recently updated the options that you have for optimizing video on the channel. So I'm going to use a little clip of a video from our talk I did with Mark Shaler last week on the Marketing Optimization Sandwich course. It's about 2 minutes long. I'm going to show you how to upload it and add a thumbnail and add captions, and then show you just how that optimization works. So I'm just going to share screens and we'll get that done. So here we are on the Marketing Optimist LinkedIn page, and it's dead easy. So we're going to click on video to share a video, select the video edit that we need, which is there. And you can see that's come quite nicely. We're going to add in a title in the bar. So that's going to be marketing and green washing. And then we now have the option to select a thumbnail, which I previously made in Canva, which is a really easy tool. If you don't have Photoshop, it's dead easy to use. You can make shots in seconds. So there's the thumbnail image on it. And then we're going to select captioning as well, so that we can see the captioning work within LinkedIn rather than to burn it onto the file, which is really useful. So now we're going to click done. You can see that's all ready. I have already written a caption, so I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. So there's the caption. As this one talks about Mark Shaler, I am going to tag Mark Shaler in the post and add in some hashtags. Marketing webinar green washing, I think is a good one. Oh, make sure it's a hashtag. There we go. Marketing. And then we press post. And once the video's shuttling through, you say it's going quite quick. I've not got a bad internet connection here. Once it's up there, you will be able to see that it's posted and the captions all on that. And there we go. 5 minutes later, you can see that it's playing. There are the captions on it, and you can turn them on and off, which obviously helps people with watching the thing. Turn it off, turn it up and down. We can watch it full screen, and we can still turn the closed captions on and off. There we go. So there's the captioning all come up nicely. So there you go. That's how you optimize a video on LinkedIn. Hope that's useful.